A very good evening, everyone. Respected chief guests, our invited dignitaries, our beloved warden, and the shining stars of today's evening, our wonderful freshers. A very warm and heartfelt welcome to each one of you.
Every beginning carries a little excitement, a little nervousness, a lot of dreams, and countless possibilities. Today is not just a freshers' day, it is the beginning of new friendships, new memories, new responsibilities, and obviously a new family.
A hostel is not merely a building made up of bricks. It is where strangers become friends, rooms become home, meals become memories, late night conversations become therapy, and laughter echoes through every corridor.
And that is exactly what our theme says.
Together we grow, together we shine.
Because growth becomes meaningful when we grow together, and success becomes beautiful when everyone shines together.
So let's celebrate together, laugh together, cheer together, and make tonight a memory that will stay in our hearts forever.
Now, before we begin this wonderful celebration, allow us to introduce ourselves.
Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi Raghuvanshi.
And I am Sukhman Kaur.
Today we will be your hosts, your cheerleaders, your storytellers, and hopefully the reason behind few smiles.
So, don't hesitate to clap loudly, cheer enthusiastically, and support every participant because every performer standing backstage is carrying a heart full of courage.
So, are you guys excited?
I can't hear.
That's the spirit. Every successful journey begins with prayer. Before filling this evening with music and laughter, let us fill our hearts with gratitude.
We now invite our talented performers to present the prayer song. Let's welcome them.
Thy word is a lamp unto my
welcoming hearts, and every heart deserves warm words.
Now, to begin this wonderful event on a very warm and welcoming note, I would like to invite two distinguished people to the stage to share a few words with us. Let's appreciate them with a big round of applause.
Good evening, everyone. A very warm, energetic and heartfelt welcome to respected fathers, sisters, teachers and our beloved juniors.
Every new beginning starts with a little excitement, a little nervousness and a whole lot of dreams. And tonight, we are here to celebrate exactly that.
So, are you all excited?
I can't hear you. Let's make some noise, guys. Are you excited for Freshers 2026?
Today is not just an event. It's the beginning of unforgettable friendship, lifelong memories and a brand new journey. Before we begin this breathtaking evening, it is my privilege to welcome the wonderful pupil whose guidance and support make our college second home.
अच्छा ईशा दीदी, आपको पता है हमारे कॉलेज में एक हैंडसम पर्सनालिटी है जिनके पास लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज भी हैं, हैंडसम भी है और कंपैशनेट तो पूछो भी मत। गेस करो कौन?
अरे वही ना जो रोज शाम को बैडमिंटन खेलने आते हैं।
सही जा रहे हो आप।
So, may I request everyone to put your hands together as we welcome our respected principal, Reverend Father Dr. John P.J. It is our privilege to invite Dr. Ranjit Kaur ma'am. Now I request Deepmala to kindly present a small token of our love and appreciation to Dr. Ranjit Kaur. Let her give it on. और जब बात गाइडेंस और एकेडमिक एक्सीलेंस की हो तो डॉक्टर शीना थॉमस का नाम जरूर आता है। उनकी क्वालिफिकेशंस और स्टूडेंट को गाइड करने का तरीका हम सब के लिए ट्रूली इंस्पायरिंग है।
It is our privilege to request Dipali to kindly present a small token of our love and appreciation to Dr. Sheena Thomas. Let's welcome her with a warm round of applause.
किसी की पहचान उसकी वर्ड से होती है
और किसी के उनके प्रेजेंस से, और दिव्या मैम की प्रेजेंस तो हर इवेंट को और भी ग्रेसफुल बना देती है।
Be it her amazing fashion sense or her beautiful dance performance, she carries everything with confidence and elegance.
May I request Radha to give her a small token of her love and appreciation. Give her a huge round of applause.
I request Pallavi to kindly present this small token of our love and gratitude to Sister Jacinta. Let's welcome her with a huge round of applause.
Now I request Ansi Topo to kindly present the small token of our love and gratitude to our beloved warden Sister Jen.
Now I request Ancha Topo to kindly present this small token of our love and appreciation to our beloved assistant warden Sister Josephine. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome her with a huge round of applause. Let's make this evening unforgettable with your energy, enthusiasm and loud cheer. With that, Aisha
And I, Mahi Agrawal, bid a
goodbye to you all.
Thank you for your inspiring and encouraging words of welcome.
Your message reminds us that every freshers who entered this hostel is not just a resident, but a valuable member of our ever-growing family.
So, dear audience, the wait is finally over.
It's time to witness confidence, grace, elegance, and personality come alive on this stage.
A ramp is never about expensive clothes. It is about confidence, elegance, grace, and personality, and believing in yourself.
So let's cheer loudly for our freshers for first lot of ramp walk, because today every participant is already a winner.
All the confidence. Guys, तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए.
What an elegant walk! Representing their culture.
What an elegant walk! Simply graceful.
What a graceful smile. Oh my God, that was so great.
मेरी दुनिया में बेहिसाब प्यार मैं हूँ एक एंजल और डेविल मेरा यार तेरे जैसा दुनिया में कोई भी नहीं जिसे ढूंढती
What a confidence!
परियों की रानी हूँ मैं सबसे हंसी
Some energy, audience. What a beautiful presence.
रात रुक जाए बात थम जाए तेरी बाहों में Sexy lady on the floor
Grace, confidence, and charm.
Sexy lady on the floor keep it coming back for more
Can we have a huge round of applause? Wow.
Now it's time to set the stage on fire. Get ready to clap, cheer, and maybe dance from your seats because our talented girls are all set to light up the stage with their energetic dance performance.
Please welcome Kunderen Group with a huge round of applause.
हीर मुर्च
let's invite someone who can actually sing beautifully.
So let's invite our talented singers with lots of cheers and applause.
नौजवानों, बात मानो, कभी किसी से न प्यार करना। नौजवानों, बात मानो, कभी किसी से न प्यार करना। जरा 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 जो भी हो सो हो, हमें प्यार का वो आसरा फिर चाहे जो हो। जरा 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 जो भी हो सो हो, हमें प्यार का वो आसरा फिर चाहे जो हो। सूरज की राहों में अगर ये जिंदगी, इन एहसासों में बादलों में रोशनी। सूरज की राहों में अगर ये जिंदगी, इन एहसासों में बादलों में रोशनी। जो भी बदले दिल की ताल है, आहा यूं ही आया एक ख्याल है, आहा बातें हमें जिंदगी एक बार क्यों न करे खुद के हम इसको प्यार। जाने सा है हमें इंतजार कि जिंदगी यही है और यही ना 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 सवाल है, जीना बेहाल है, खाना बदोशियों पे भी जाने क्यों। इलाही तेरा जी आए आए, इलाही तेरा जी आए आए। जो भी कल तक बस आरज़ू, आहा वो भी पा गए हैं मैं और तू, आहा बांधे हम हाथों में यूं ही हाथ। Please hold your hands to your friends, everyone. सारे सारे दिन सारी सारी रात बरस रही है एक खुशी हर कहीं। ना 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 ना। You're insecure, don't know what for. You're sunny hands when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Ooh, baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me over with. When you smile and you come, it's hard to tell. You don't know, oh oh, you don't know you're beautiful. Oh oh, that's what makes you beautiful. मेरा फलसफा तकदीर मेरा बस्ता, चला है जहाँ ले चला मुझे रास्ता। फूलों पे बनी लहरें समंदर पे, ओ इलाही मेरा जी आए आए, इलाही मेरा जी आए आए। ना 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 Thank you everyone.
A heartfelt thanks to our talented singers for that amazing performance.
And now, everyone, it's time for the most exciting part of the evening, the game session. So, are you guys ready?
So some energy, guys. Are you excited? Great. We hope you have saved some energy because because now it's time to participate, laugh, cheer, and make unforgettable memories.
To make this session even more exciting, we would like to invite Supriya and Anshika Didi, who have planned fun and exciting games for you all.
यहाँ पे कुछ बलून्स दिए हुए हैं और आपको आपके नाम चिट्स में है, तो हम वो चिट्स निकालेंगे, उसमें से जिसका भी नाम आएगा उसको स्टेज पे आना है, ठीक है? फिर उसके बाद जो भी बच्चे स्टेज पे आएंगे उनको ये बलून पॉप करना है और उन बलून्स में कुछ डेयर्स दिए हुए हैं, सो दैट डेयर्स यू हैव टू परफॉर्म. ओके, कैन वी स्टार्ट? ओके, सो मुस्कान एंड आरोही. Okay, so Arohi got compliment your 3 favorite seniors for 30 seconds. She got introduce yourself using only movie titles.
Hello everyone, myself Arohi. So first day I was meet Supriya Didi. She's a very good, what to say, like first day when I come to the hostel, she's the one that she taught me very well.
Good evening everyone. So I've got the task to introduce myself using only movie titles. So right now I feel like I'm Ishan from Tare Zameen Par, because when I reached here I felt like I don't know anything. I feel so dumb and left out here, so that's the reason. Thank you.
Lakshmi, Prakriti, Ruchi. So Ruchi got propose a chair or a water bottle in a Bollywood style. What 5 letters typed in all capital letter can be read the same upside down? Introduce the person next to you like they are a celebrity. Make everyone laugh in 30 seconds.
Good evening everyone. I would like to introduce the glamorous, the famous hostelry star, Lakshmi.
Where is Khushbu? Okay, she's looking very pretty, but आप लोगों के एक्सरसाइज हो जाएंगे, आप लोग हंस लीजिए.
The word which has a capital letter and which can be read upside down, it can be pencil brand DOMS. Thank you.
अरे तुम तो कितने सूखी सूखी दिख रही हो, क्या तुमको पानी चाहिए? प्लीज पी लो ना पानी. ज्ञानवी, जिज्ञासा, सौम्या, तनिष्का, उर्वशी, so Yanvi got give relationship advice to senior in a funny way. So Soumya got say the alphabet backwards as far as you can. Tanishka got introduce yourself if you are as if you are a news reporter. Urvashi got give a motivational speech using a random word given by seniors. So any senior is sitting over there? Seniors, give some random words to her. One random word, she'll give a speech on that.
Z Y X W U V V U T T R L Z Y X W V U T R S F R U P. Hello everyone, my name is Urvashi Sharma. I give a non-speech yoga. Yoga is all about the mental peace, and you know today's generation wants that, but nobody gets. Yoga is all about like, thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm a news reporter for now because my idea is I have to introduce myself as a news reporter. So, welcome to the Aaj Tak. Myself, Kanishka Soni, as known as Medusa. So, I'm from Rewa, Madhya Pradesh, and I have completed my schooling here from Jyoti Senior Secondary School. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, myself Jigyasha. Embarrassing moment बनाना है स्कूल के बारे में. तो लास्ट टाइम जब मैं 9th में थी तो मैं कॉरिडोर पे थी, ठीक है. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे सीनियर्स थे, ऑफ कोर्स भैया एंड दीदीज, ठीक है. तो अब मैं स्टेयर्स पे थी, मैं दौड़ दौड़ के जा रही थी. अब उनके सामने मैं चल रही थी और मेरे को लगा कि मैं बहुत कूल लग रही हूँ, पर ऐसा नहीं था. उनके सामने मैं गिर गई. तो उसके बाद मेरा ऑरा.
Hi everyone, good evening. My name is Janki and my idea is give a relationship to seniors in a funny way. I don't have an idea but हमेशा सीनियर के साथ अच्छे से ही रहना चाहिए, be friendly रहना चाहिए, and thank you.
A very good evening to one and all present here. I am Nasira and I invite you all for this celebration.
And I am Anmol. We are delighted to have you with us and hope the rest of the program leaves you with moments to cherish for a long time.
Every culture carries its own stories, values and traditions. Through music and movement, these traditions continue to be celebrated across generations.
We now invite our sisters and group to present a Kalshka dance performance. We request everyone to encourage them with your warm applause.
Let's appreciate their effort and artistry with your warm round of applause.
Guidance and encouragement give every new beginning a stronger purpose.
It is now our privilege to invite our respected father to address the gathering. Father, we request you to kindly share your words of wisdom and blessings with us.
Dear Sister Jancy and Sister Josephine, as they rightly said, they both are mothers or sisters to you. I see a lot of monitoring required to be running a hostel. And it is not a day's work, but it is days and nights work. So therefore, I would like to congratulate and also to thank the sisters who are working for the hostel, Sister Jancy, Sister Josephine and Sister Jacinta. Dear students, there is so much of learning being in a hostel, away from home. And that little message that you have written there is the quintessence. To say that growing together and shining together. And this is the kind of, maybe unknowingly, you may not deliberately do it, but at the same time, at the end of 3-5 years of stay in the hostel, this would be the end result. So I believe and I take this as a great opportunity for you to be learning to live together. Otherwise you are in a small circle, and you know, Corona had got us even smaller, so individualistic, so much so locked down to our own little houses, little rooms. But there is another opening here and a lot of learning along with that. So the freshers, you just keep yourself open to corrections and also for new learnings. And I'm sure you will gather, you will learn a lot in the time to come. I always said to the hostelers, when we joined seminary, there was one little sentence that was written in the bold letters, and that was, keep the rule and the rule will keep you. We cannot just be let loose or left lost, but we must keep certain rules for the sake of a community and a group living. God bless you all. Just feel free, enjoy your time here. You will not get another year as a college student, as a fresher. So just enjoy, be what you are, and share what you have, and mingle with one another, and grow day by day. God bless you.
Thank you, Father, for your thoughtful and inspiring address.
Your words will surely encourage each of us be within another academic year. Thank you so much.
The next segment celebrates confidence, individuality, and the unique personality of each participant.
As our participants walk the stage, let us encourage them with our applause and make them feel truly welcomed.
हसीना तेरे प्यार में जब से झनकार
First meetings, shared laughter and little misunderstandings. Countless memories and friendship that gradually becomes family.
Our next act begins those moments to life through a skit inspired by hostel life. We invite our performers to the stage.
घर का सफर सिर्फ जगह का नहीं, आदतों का भी होता है।
वहाँ आज़ादी थी और यहाँ रोक-टोक, और इसी बदलाव के साथ शुरू होती है हमारी और आपकी कहानी।
तो चलिए देखते हैं।
हाय, आप भी इसी रूम में हो क्या? Like, isn't it obvious? वैसे तुम हो कहाँ से? मैं गुजरात से। डांडिया, तुम तो वही खाकरा फाकरा ठेपला क्या होता है ना? सू करे शेवेन, गद्दा मारो शेवेन। तो गद्दा घर से लाना था क्या? ये गद्दा आपका है क्या? नहीं, मतलब मेरा तो नहीं है, पर क्या है ना, मेरी नजर जिसमें पड़ जाती है वो मेरा हो जाता है, तो ये गद्दा भी मेरा ही है। वैसे तुम वार्डन को कॉल कर सकती हो, मे बी वो तुम्हें हेल्प कर सकती हैं। ओके ओके। वॉशरूम में कोई है? सुनो सुनो सुनो, कोई है, मैंने देखा। अरे यार, पूरी नींद खराब कर दी। प्लीज शट अप। है कोई? सुनो ना। चुप हो जाओ प्लीज। लेट मी स्लीप। ओके ओके। यार पर वहाँ कोई था, एक बार देखो ना। सिस्टर सिस्टर, पर नींद नहीं आवे। क्या नहीं आवे? मुझे नींद नहीं आई। छन क्या? You didn't sleep? You did not let me sleep? Look at my डार्क सर्कल्स, जस्ट लुक एट इट। तुम्हारे चक्कर में मुझे पैसे खर्च करने पड़ेंगे, मिनिमलिस्ट का सिरप मंगाना पड़ेगा यार।
ना ना, भूत छे, भूत, घोस्ट घोस्ट
छे भूत छे। अटेंडेंस टाइम। रिया प्रेजेंट, सिया, खुशी
प्रेजेंट,
खुशी वर्मा
प्रेजेंट प्रेजेंट।
who all are absent? Sister Sia, what happened to her? One sec. Wait, you come back. You people scared her. You all are very notorious. आपका छोटा भाई मैंने जैसा है। अभी कल क्या गाना बजाया होगा, वो बच्चा डर गया ना। Who was playing with the bathroom lights? You are not DJ here. You all are students. Don't do all this. It's not allowed here, children. Now pray. इतनी शक्ति हमें दे दाता। Wait. Where are you going, my dear? Where are you going? Sit here and eat with everyone. It's not allowed here. Don't do this, okay? Sit.
यार ये क्या है? खाना ऊपर नहीं ले जा सकते? क्यों नहीं ले जा सकते? तो क्या होगा, हम औरों के संग खा लो। यार आज लॉकअप का जजमेंट नाइट है, एक काम करती हूँ, फोन में ही देख लेती हूँ।
एक्सक्यूज मी बेटा, यहाँ पे फोन अलाउड नहीं है। लाओ मुझे दो।
मैं घूमूं फिरूं नाचूं गाऊं हंसूं खेलूं, बाहर जाऊं अकेली जाऊं किसी और के साथ जाऊं, जहाँ जाऊं जब जाऊं जैसे भी जाऊं, आपको क्या
पता है खाने को रूम में ले जाना अलाउड क्यों नहीं है?
क्योंकि एक प्लेट सिर्फ खाना ही नहीं ले जाती, अगर अच्छे से क्लीन ना की जाए तो इंसेक्ट्स और कॉकरोचेस भी इनवाइट हो जाते हैं। एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, गुड हाइजीन कीप्स एवरीवन हेल्दी।
और मेस में फोन्स थोड़ी देर के लिए उन्हें साइड रखना भी जरूरी होता है यार।
Because meals are not just about food, they are about conversations, laughter and spending time together. Real connections happen when the screens go down.
इसलिए गाइस कभी-कभी हॉस्टल के रूल थोड़े स्ट्रिक्ट लगते हैं, बट एवरी रूल हैज अ रीजन बिहाइंड इट।
आज तो कॉलेज नहीं आने वाली थी। बेटा पुष्पा हॉस्टल है हमारा।
हॉस्टल क्या जेल है तुम्हारा?
बेटा जेल नहीं, जन्नत है हमारा, जन्नत। तुम आ सकते हो 9:30 को उठ के 9:45 पे कॉलेज।
जैसे कॉलेज आते हो वैसे कभी भी बाहर जा सकते हो क्या? घर का खाना खा सकते हो क्या?
घर जैसा ही खाते हैं, किसी संडे बिरयानी, किसी हफ्ते पानी पूरी, कस्टर्ड, गुलाब जामुन, मंचूरियन, 2 टाइम स्नैक्स ही मिलता है हमें। और हाँ, एलपीजी की शॉर्टेज में नो शॉर्टेज ऑफ फूड था।
हॉस्टल चलो। अरे यार इनका तो अलग ही है। आओ तो आईडी कार्ड, जाओ तो आईडी कार्ड, और 2 बजे के बाद घर जाओ।
तुम्हारे साथ भी करते क्या ऐसा?
अरे तुमसे तो आईडी ले रहे हैं, हमसे तो साइन भी करवाते हैं। बेटा Z+ सिक्योरिटी में रहते हैं हम।
Z+ सिक्योरिटी? चल भाई ज्यादा फेक मत, अब साल के बाद पंछी देखा है कभी बाहर का?
अगर तुम्हारा पुष्पा पुराण खत्म हो गया तो क्लास चले।
बड़ा लाडले हर जगह
Student, good afternoon. You all are requested to assemble in the dining hall at 4:30. Students, silence. मुझे पता है कि आप सब थके हुए हैं, थोड़ा डीमोटिवेटेड, इसलिए हमने स्पेशल गेस्ट बुलाया है जो आपको थोड़ा मोटिवेट करेगा, कुछ एक्टिविटीज कराएगा और आप सब खुश हो जाएंगे। तो स्वागत कीजिए डॉक्टर अनुपमा जी का।
आज मैं आई हूँ आपका मसीहा बनने, मेरे साथ आपकी हेल्थ की थोड़ी सी हेल्प करने। लोग आते हैं आपको योगा कराने, लोग आते हैं आपको मेडिटेशन कराने,
पर आज मैं आपको कराऊंगी एनालिटिक्स।
Silence, my dears. You are very notorious.
मस्ती कराइए और नटोरियस सुने इनका हक।
Silence, children. मैं concentrate नहीं कर पाती हूँ और मेरा स्क्रीन टाइम भी बहुत ज़्यादा है। So like how to manage it?
अरे बेटा यही तो उम्र है, कर लो गलती से मिस्टेक।
हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल, मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख। यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा।
अब आप मेरी एक बात सुनिए, एक महत्वपूर्ण काम करिए, इंस्टाग्राम बंद कर दीजिए। आप मेरे साथ 4 चीज़ों पे क्लॉक इट करिए। सुबह उठ के मेडिटेशन करिए, पानी अच्छे से पीजिए, एवरीडे वॉक पर जाइए, थोड़ा सा करण औजला सुन लीजिए, नेचर से कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश कीजिए ताकि लाइफ से कनेक्शन बना रहे। आई एम श्योर इट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू। गर्ल,
Thank you so much, Dr. Anupama.
थैंक यू।
नहीं समझ आया ना कि क्या हुआ और क्यों हुआ?
हाँ तो सुनिए, क्योंकि हॉस्टल में हर दिन एक जैसा नहीं होता। हॉस्टल लाइफ में स्टडीज़ के साथ साथ स्ट्रेस, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ भी साथ चलती हैं, इसीलिए ऐसे मोटिवेशनल सेशंस ऑर्गेनाइज किए जाते हैं।
They remind us that taking care of our mental well-being is just as important as academic success, क्योंकि कभी-कभी थोड़ा encouragement और किसी की positivity काफ़ी होती है।
और सबसे अच्छी बात, ऐसे सेशंस सिर्फ लेक्चर नहीं होते।
They bring smiles, laughter and interaction because a positive mind creates a positive hostel life.
Anshika, please come to the cabin. Anshika, please come to the cabin.
Yes, sister, you called me.
Sister, you called me?
Not you 3 people. Now the right one came. Anshika, yes. You come here, my dear. No, you all 3 can go. Go. You all are requested to gather in the dining hall at 6:45 p.m. We have planned a surprise for you. अरे यार, फिर से?
गुड इवनिंग। पीछे क्या हो रहा है? गाइस, आज थोड़ा सा एक्साइटेड हो जाओ, आज पूरा माहौल गेम ही होने वाला है। सो बेसिकली 2 टेबल्स रखे हुए हैं और उनके ऊपर कप्स रखे हुए हैं और आपको एक हाथ से बलून को हवा में बैलेंस करके रखना है, उसे नीचे नहीं गिरने देना है और कप्स में से आपको पिरामिड बनाना है। हर विंग से एक बच्चा आएगा। विंग 5 से पिकी, विंग 7 से टिकी। और विनर है पुष्पा हॉस्टल। और आज की पोजीशन है।
पहला तू, दूसरा तू, तीसरा तू,
साथ लेकर जाते हैं।
आज के सफर में हमने देखा कि कैसे हॉस्टल सिर्फ रूटीन्स और रूल्स का नाम नहीं है। इट्स अबाउट लर्निंग डिसिप्लिन, ग्रोइंग थ्रू गाइडेंस एंड केयरिंग फॉर वन अनदर।
आखिर में बस इतना ही, हॉस्टल हमें सिर्फ पढ़ाई नहीं सिखाता बल्कि जीना सिखाता है। यहाँ हम सिर्फ रिश्ते नहीं बनाते बल्कि मेमोरीज भी बनाते हैं।
और जब हम वापस जाते हैं तो साथ सिर्फ बैग्स नहीं, एक दूसरे की यादें भी लेके जाते हैं। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ वंडरफुल।
That was very heartwarming and entertaining. Thank you to our performers for capturing the spirit of hostel life so beautifully.
Let's appreciate the entire team with a big round of applause.
The stage once again welcomes confidence, individuality and elegance. Our next set of participants is ready to make their way onto ramp, each bringing a style that is uniquely theirs.
Let's receive them with the same optimism and encouragement. We invite our participants for the next slot of ramp walk and wish you all the very best.
performance, ready to add its own charm to this memorable evening.
Please welcome our performers Khushi and group to the stage and encourage them with your applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are not ready for this.
जोगन होना पै जाऊगा। लैला की खिड़की खुली है, खिड़की के नीचे है नाला, खिड़की पे कोई खड़ा है, लैला का टाका भिड़ा है, मौजे उड़ाती है मेरी मोहब्बत को मुझ मार के। ओ मेरी जान तेरे को वक्त बना कर, कहाँ चलती प्यार की पूंछ बजा कर। ओ मेरी जान तेरे को वक्त बना कर, कहाँ चलती प्यार की पूंछ बजा कर।
Another warm round of applause for our talented performers. Now we would like to invite Ms. Divya Tripathi ma'am to announce the result of ramp walk for final round.
Good evening, Reverend Father, Principal and Sister and President all here. So I am announcing the final round candidates. So chess number 3, chess number 9, chess number 15, kindly come on stage. Chess number 25, chess number 31, chess number 32, chess number 38, chess number 55 and chess number 61.
जाने मन हसीन दिलरुबा मिले तो दिल हसीन दिलरुबा मिले तो दिल शिकार हो गए संग तेरी अंगड़ाई
Wow, what an entry!
छाई
And clapping!
We hand over the stage to our game coordinator Ashika Di and Isha Di. We have seen some great performance, some unforgettable moment already. But now it's time to take the moment from next level.
We are about to play a game that's very simple, hilarious and a little trickier than it sounds.
It doesn't matter if you are a smarter person in the room.
Because today being too smart might actually get you into trouble.
Well, before we invite our participant, let's quickly understand how the games work. So we are going to play wrong answer only. So before that, I am going to give the rules. So please listen carefully. This is going to be rapid 5 questions and you have to answer within 3 to 5 seconds. And you are not supposed to answer with I don't know, मुझे नहीं पता या फिर no. Phila, Vaishnavi, Rachel, Akshita, Flavie. Okay, so let's start. What is your name?
My name is Phila
You have to give only wrong answers.
Which country are you in? Sorry? Which country are you in?
America.
What to wear on your feet?
Sandal.
What's your hair color?
Brown.
Where the fish live?
Air.
What is the color of the sky?
Black.
What's the color of river?
Blue.
What's come after?
Ouch. It's no color. The water has no color. It doesn't seem like.
What's come after 1? Hole. Which animal say meow?
Dog.
What do we write? What do we use to write?
What is 2 minus 2? Which fruit is yellow?
Apple.
What comes after 8?
2.
What is 2 plus 2?
5.
What's your hair color?
Pink.
What is the current year?
Sorry, what?
What is the current year?
Current year 2020.
अब थोड़ा कुछ दूसरा खेला जाए. टंग ट्विस्टर पसंद है आप सबको? अभी तो पहले फ्रेशर्स खेलिए, उसके बाद में ऑडियंस. मैं पहले बोल के बताऊंगी एक बार, आपको वो 5 बार रिपीट करना है फास्ट, ओके? आइसक्रीम, यू स्क्रीम, वी ऑल स्क्रीम फॉर आइसक्रीम. ये आपको 5 बार जल्दी बोलना है.
Ice-cream, you scream, we all scream for ice-cream. 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 Ice-cream, you scream, we all scream for ice-cream.
पीतल के पतीले में पका पपीता पीला पीला.
पीतल के पतीले में पका पपीता पीला पीला. पीतल के पपीते में पका पपीता पीला पीला.
Out. I thought of thinking of thanking you.
I thought of thinking of thanking you. I thought of thinking of thanking you. I thought of thinking of thanking you. I thought of thinking of thanking you. I thought of thinking of thanking you. I thought of thinking of
Okay, good round of applause.
ऊंट ऊंचा, ऊंट की पीठ ऊंची, ऊंची पूंछ ऊंट की.
ऊंट ऊंचा, ऊंट की पीठ ऊंची, ऊंची पूंछ ऊंट की. ऊंट ऊंचा, ऊंट की पीठ ऊंची, ऊंची पूंछ ऊंट की. ऊंट ऊंचा, ऊंट की पीठ ऊंची, ऊंची पूंछ ऊंट की. ऊंट ऊंचा, ऊंट की पीठ ऊंची, ऊंची पूंछ ऊंट की. ऊंट ऊंचा, ऊंट की पीठ ऊंची, ऊंची पीठ ऊंट की.
Very good.
Don't trouble until trouble troubles you. If you trouble, triple trouble troubles you.
Don't trouble until trouble troubles you. If you trouble, triple trouble troubles you. Don't trouble until trouble troubles you. If you trouble, triple trouble troubles you. Don't trouble until trouble troubles you. If you trouble, triple trouble troubles you. Don't trouble until trouble troubles you. If you trouble, triple trouble troubles you.
Good, very good, Sneha.
ऊंट ऊंचा, ऊंट की पीठ ऊंची, ऊंची पूंछ ऊंट की.
ऊंट ऊंचा, ऊंट की पीठ ऊंची, ऊंची पूंछ ऊंट की. ऊंट ऊंचा, ऊंट की पीठ ऊंची, ऊंची पूंछ ऊंट की. ऊंट ऊंचा, ऊंट की पीठ ऊंची, ऊंची पूंछ ऊंट की. ऊंट
scream for ice cream.
I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Let's scream for ice cream!
Now we invite our finalists again for final round of ramp walk. Give a huge round of applause for them. May I respectfully invite Dr. Father John PJ, Dr. Ranjit Kaur ma'am and Warden Sister Jancy to kindly come forward and present the awards to our deserving participants.
So we'll start from the third prize. And before we announce the prizes, I think a big round of applause should go to each one of you for the spirit of ramp walk, for the, you were marked on appearance, attire and your walk. And each one of you have put in a lot of efforts. So a big congratulations to each one who participated. And you might have had a lot of guesses. So let me keep that guesses rolling. The third prize for the ramp walk goes to chest number 31. I think we should have taken a round of applause. Lot of efforts. You be marked on appearance, attire and walk. So it's Tamanna here. Let's go to the second prize. The second prize is backed by chest number 15. Chest number 15. She please guide us. खुशबू ने really floored it well. हॉस्टल में सब लोग यही करते हैं. Wonderful. So big round of applause to our second winner of the day. And the first prize of today's ramp walk of this evening goes to, so we keep it wrapped with chest numbers and it goes to chest number 9. Congratulations to all the badge winners and the title winners. All the best to all of you. Keep rocking.
Thank you, dear teachers, for spending your valuable time with us. And this small token of love, which we express as the plant grows rich. We also wish that you also grow in rich, wealth, health and everything. Thank you, dear teachers. And special thanks to Father for his valuable presence and for his every support that we experience here.
Everyone, as we tend to enter day to day, I'd like to thank God. Secondly, I'd like to thank our Honorable Principal, Dr. Father John PJ, who remains as an inspiration for us. Your presence made us memorable. Your message gave the positive energy in us. Thank you, sir, for accepting us and giving us a new life. I would like to thank our dear Father Tommy for his valuable presence. A special thanks to Dr. Sheena Thomas, Dr. Ranjit Kaur, the committee members and Divya Tripathi, the jury of the day. I thank for your patience and love for the student and for your valuable time. Thank you once again. I thank Sister Jacinta for her presence and her unconditional support that she gives to each student. Special thanks to our dear warden, Sister Jancy, for her loving personnel, for her guidance and support which helps us to remain safe and secure. Thanks to you, sister. I would like to thank Sister Josephine, our assistant warden. A heartfelt thanks to all the senior students for all the programs that you have conducted. Your contribution had been truly enlightening. We also thank the program committee and decoration committee for their hard work behind the scenes, ensuring everything runs smoothly. इसी के साथ मैं अपनी सभी किचन स्टाफ दीदियों को भी धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ. Last but not the least, I'd like to thank all the attendees here whose engagement made this pressure truly enjoyable. Thank you all. Thank you once again.
Better more and